In this video, I will show you how to draw a fillable line in MS Word. Write the text which you need. Like we need line for this text. So two ways to insert the fillable line. First one, insert shape and select the line and press and hold shift and draw the line. Here you can change the size, color, style and whatever you need here. Another way, shift and minus key on your keyboard. Press and hold shift, then press minus key on your keyboard. So these are two ways to insert this fillable line. So thanks for watching.